design and build module for mechanical and bioengineers. This year was making musical instruments for a festival. They had to make 3 instruments in a group of approximately 12 and manage the manufacture of those instruments, the design of those instruments, and then play those instruments at a final performance all together.
Really impressed with what they've done. You know, sort of nice to see these things developing from the early stages. From my point of view, it's nice to see this being embraced so wholeheartedly.
I think that the most entertaining part for me was coming into a completely unfamiliar situation. I remember coming into the first lecture. It was our first lecture and we got given this massive task. The task was to create a chord or a melody and a percussion instrument.
One of the most important things that I learned throughout this process was the importance of teamwork. We're a very diverse group, 11 very different students, and we all became a part of one team. And I particularly enjoyed the way the ideas were developed throughout the 3 months of the project. And we had some very cool designs. And for example, this one is the piano glove. It uses some engineering principles and it is a very cool idea for festival goers.
I really enjoyed the project. I hadn't spoken to that much the people in my group, so it was good to get to know them and we got on really well as a team. We had like designated roles, so I was a musical director, so I was in charge of the performance, making sure that all the instruments had the right notes and the right chords. And so yeah, I really enjoyed using like different skills from the group to make a good team.
There's a lot of learning as well, so I've never done manufacturing before. I came from a clearly academic background where I've never done anything really with my hands. So the manufacturing and all learning that kind of stuff with the help of my other teammates and just learning new things was really fun for me. Yeah, we've faced quite a few challenges along the way, to say the least. But we overcame them as a group and did the best we could with it, and we eventually came out on top, which was an ecstatic feeling after the accumulation of 12 weeks of hard work.
It was really interesting to see everyone's ideas, and yeah, it was quite enjoyable to watch everyone's videos and see how they got on.
It was absolutely amazing today, just watching what the students had achieved. We set them a really, really hard task and they have just blown me away with the quality of the instruments that they've produced, their understanding of music and engineering principles, the understanding of things like amplification and acoustics has just been absolutely phenomenal. They have just done so well. I'm just so proud of them.